Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In this video, I want to give my conclusions on the credit spread bots that I've been testing. And I'm not going to go over every single one of them again and how they are set up, but just to give a brief recap, I'm using the SMAs, either the 5, 9, or 14-day SMAs to check for a trend in the underlying asset. Also using an RSI check to ensure that I'm not catching a reversal before entering the trade, and then either selling a bear call spread or a bull put spread. So as you can see right here in this summary, what I am finding right now is, first of all, the shorter dated SMAs are working the best. So these are the red ones down here. The 5 SMA with or without the check are definitely working the best. And actually, these are showing the total P&L, so it includes all open trades, but the actual closed P&L, I guess the ranking is still the same. The 5 SMA is working better. So as you can see right here, the reds are the shorter dated SMAs, and it's either with or without the RSI check. And you can see right now they're performing a lot better in terms of just sheer profit. They're performing better. Also, in terms of win rate, they are performing better. There's definitely more closed trades. It looks like there's about 36 closed trades for the 5 SMAs, and then around 30 for the other credit spread bots. So going forward with my live bot, I'm going to be focusing on the 5 SMA, and then I'm going to be turning off my 9 and my 14. So I think I have enough data to know that if I'm going to be in a short-term trend trade, then I want to use a shorter-term trend indicator. So the 5 SMA seems to work best. So now I'm going to be optimizing whether or not I'm going to be using the RSI check. As of right now, I am using it, but with this data, it looks like maybe it's not working as well. So I want to try to optimize that. I want to try to minimize the amount, not only the amount of losses, but also the amount of loss that I am losing on each losing trade. I'd like to minimize that somehow. So stay tuned. If you'd like to follow along with this journey, then please consider subscribing. I definitely appreciate it. So if you have any questions about these credit spreads, about option alpha, or any of the Google Sheets that I'm using, then please leave a comment down below or catch me on Twitter at Trading 5 Talents. Until next time, trade wisely and take care.